Einstein's logic puzzle. Albert Einstein once posed a brain teaser that he predicted only 2% of the world's population would be able to solve. Facts. Number 1. There are 5 houses in 5 different colors. Second, in each house lives a person with a different nationality. Third, these 5 owners drink a certain beverage, smoke a certain brand of cigarette, and keeps a certain pet. Last, no owners have the same pet, brand of cigarette, or drinks. Clues: the Brit lives in a red house, the Swede keeps a dog, the Dane drinks tea, the greenhouse is on the left of the white one, the greenhouse owner drinks coffee, the person who smokes Pall Mall keeps birds, the owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill, the man living in the center house drinks milk, the Norwegian lives in the first house, the man who smokes blends lives direct next to the one with cats, the man with the horses lives direct next to the man who smokes Dunhill, the man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer, the German smokes Prince, the Norwegian lives next to the blue house, the man who smokes blends has a direct neighbor who drinks water. And the question is, who owns the fish? So let's start. Nationality, house color, cigarette, pets, and drinks. And it says that there are 5 houses. So our first clue is that Norwegian lives in the first house. So Norwegian. Greenhouse is on the left of the white one. So this is the white house and on its left is the greenhouse. So let's write it here. The 5th house is color white and the 4th house is color green. Greenhouse owner drinks coffee. So greenhouse owner drinks coffee. The man living on the center drinks milk. So the center house is the 3rd one. Drinks milk. Next is the Norwegian lives next to the blue house. So this is Norwegian's house. So the next one is house that is color blue. Brit lives in the red house. Since all the color of the houses are identified except in the 3rd and 1st, we can easily check that Brit lives on the 3rd house since the nationality of the person who lives on the 1st house is identified, which is the Norwegian. So this is Brit's nationality and the color of his house is red. The owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill. Since the only house that has no color is the first one, we can easily know that yellow is the color of the Norwegian's house and he smokes Dunhill. So, the color of Norwegian's house is yellow and he smokes Dunhill. The man with the horse lives direct to the one who smokes Dunhill. So it means that the owner of the horse is next door to the first house, the Norwegian, because we already identified that he smokes Dunhill a while ago. The man who smokes blends lives direct next to the one with cats. There's a possibility that the person who smokes blends lives on the 2nd house. And the owner of the cat is the Norwegian. So the owner of the cat is Norwegian. The man who smokes blend is a direct neighbor who drinks water. Therefore, Norwegian is the one who drinks water. So, Norwegian is the one who drinks water. Since house number 1 is completed, let's assume that Dane lives in the second house and he drinks tea. So, second house is Dane's nationality and he drinks tea. Next, the one who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. Since the only slot left in the drinks is house number 5, then it is understood that the man who drinks beer is from color white, which is house number 5, and he smokes Blue Master. So, the 5th house smokes Blue Master and he drinks beer. Person who smokes Pall Mall keeps birds. Brit is the man who smokes Pall Mall because it can't be the German since it was clearly identified in the clues that it smokes prints. So, Brit smokes Pall Mall. Brit also owns birds because it can't be the Swede national since it owns a dog. So, Brit owns birds. Swede keeps dog. Since we have identified that the smoker of Blue Master drinks beer, which is the house number 5, then Swede lives on the 5th house, the color white. So, this is Swede nationality and he owns dog. And next, German smokes prints. The only vacant slot in the cigarette is the 4th house, the color green. So, it is clear that the German lives in the 4th house and he smokes prints. So, this is German nationality and he smokes prints. So, at last, we can see that the German's house who has no pet, and we are looking for the one who owns fish. And it is clear here that the German is the one who owns fish. So, we finally identified the missing part, and the owner of the fish is German nationality.